Welcome to Photography 161. This is a traditional course taught in an entirely new way, online. It should be a lot of fun for you. There are many technical principles in photography that will help you to craft great images. We will work especially hard to develop your aesthetic sense. What makes a good picture? How do I compose a picture to communicate my ideas about the subject? To go forward with an online presentation of this course, you need to access Blackboard through the MyMC portal. I am sure you are familiar with the MyMC portal. Find courses, quote, in which you are a student. The CRN number for this course is 31606. You will notice at this listing a group of announcements which you should always read. Please click on the course number 31606 and it will bring you to the home page of this course. That is the image that you are now seeing. There is a menu for the course and a sidebar with a light yellow background. On the home page, there is a My Announcements item listing all current announcements and a What's New item listing your course and a discussion board. Continuing the tour of the Blackboard site, click on the syllabus page in the light yellow menu bar. There are instructions to download the syllabus. This document is very important. It outlines procedures and policies. It contains a lot of information sheets dealing with various technical aspects of photography. In addition, there are pages which detail the topic for each week's meeting. Assignments will be listed under the topic for each week's meeting. There will also be notifications about assignment due dates. On this page that you are now seeing, there is an excellent motion photograph that was taken from a student portfolio done last spring. Going back to the menu on the light yellow background, please click Course Content. On this page, you will see various units listed. Each unit does not correspond to 1 week's class. Often it takes more than one class to complete a unit. If you click on each unit, you will see a table of contents that will contain PowerPoints, information sheets that are in addition to those in the syllabus, sample portfolios, and assignments. The next item on the menu is Discussions. If you click on that, you will see that I have already set up a discussion that will examine what camera you plan to use for the course. We do the course with digital single lens reflex cameras. If you have one, that will work perfectly. If not, the college lends equipment to students. Please fill out an entry on the discussion board detailing what kind of camera you have or whether you think you will need to borrow one. Other items in the menu include course mail, which is email between you and me. There is a link to MC Resources, which includes academic resources, technical support, and information about accessibility at MC. There is a help link for Blackboard issues. On the library link, you can access various library services. On the Zoom link, you will see a schedule of meetings for our class.